Vancouver Rundown for Friday, July 3rd, 2026. The federal government will kick in close to $3 billion for the new Fraser River Tunnel project. Prime Minister Mark Carney has made that announcement in Vancouver as part of the federal-provincial government partnership dubbed the Canada-B.C. Cooperative Prosperity Agreement. Some suggest the total cost of the Massey Tunnel replacement could be close to $9 billion, about double what the provincial government had projected. The city of Delta has called for a review of those costs. Other news, a 5-block stretch of the Granville Entertainment District will remain a pedestrian-only zone until at least Labor Day. Granville has been closed for the FIFA World Cup, but now City Council has decided to spend up to $4.75 million to extend that. Mayoral candidates Pete Fry and Rebecca Bly voted against the move, saying they received only 2 days' notice before the vote. Members of the BC Nurses Union have started limited job action with a ban on overtime and refusal to conduct non-nursing duties. The move comes as a first step following 72-hour strike notice. Close to 98% of those who voted cast ballots in favor of rejecting the most recent proposed agreement. RCMP and Langley are looking for 3 dirt bike riders who defaced a newly painted rainbow crosswalk in Fort Langley. The crosswalk at Glover Road and Mary Avenue was vandalized just a day after it was repainted. Investigators have photos of the suspects committing the damage. The forecast calling for clouds and possible showers for Friday morning, and then a mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon. A few clouds on Saturday, and then mostly sunny for Sunday. For all the details on these local Vancouver area stories, along with those links, go to vancouverrundown.substack.com.